Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Anis. If you are new here, I would love for you to hit the subscribe button down below and also click the like button if you like this video. So hari ni I nak buat unboxing and I akan unbox the local products from local brand called Obsess Cosmetic. So ni dia punya packaging and dia punya kotak dia sangat-sangat cantik. And thank you to Kak Nurul Yusof Obsess Cosmetic sebab hantar kat I satu full set of Obsess Cosmetic ni. It's like dream came true sebab I memang tahu a set of this product sebelum Kak Nurul hantar dekat I, and I macam teringin nak beli, and then tup-tup Kak Nurul nak hantar dekat I untuk unbox in this video. So I'll do it for you guys. So if you want to know what I get from Kak Nurul, continue watching. So I akan start dengan produk yang I paling suka ke produk yang I kurang gemar. Bukanlah sebab dia tak best ke apa, sebab I belum lagi dapat dia punya aura tu. So let's start with the first one. I paling suka dia punya liquid lipstick. So ni dia punya Matte in liquid lipstick, long wear lipstick with argan oil and vitamin C. Packaging exo princessy, sangat lawa. And bukan packaging luar je lawa, packaging dalam pun, ya Allah, cantik gila. It looks like a candy to me. Rasa macam nak gigit. So Kak Nurul hantar dekat I dalam code forever. Color dia sangat-sangat cantik. Color dia color nude. If you guys suka warna nude, this is a very pretty nude color. I suka nak mampui. Dia punya texture pun best. Dia tak macam certain lipstick yang macam create a line. And I really recommend for those who are looking for local brand liquid lipstick. So this is one of the liquid lipstick that you should get. Okay, moving on to the next items. Yang I paling suka daripada set ni adalah this one, which is insanely long mascara. Mascara ni kata dia akan bagi exceptional length, separation and definition. And I do completely 100% agree with what they say. Dia memang panjang ampus ni antara mascara yang I paling suka sebab dia memang totally lengthen my eyelashes like to the maximum. I tak sangka mascara boleh main in this packaging. I ada banyak, tengok ni, I ada banyak mascara daripada Maybelline, Magnum, Barbie ni, Super Curl, Lash Sensational daripada Body Shop, and a lot more in my drawer, also from Benefit. And none of them look like this, and I like it so much. It made from frosted glass and the effect also very nice. Tapi ada satu statement yang kat sini yang I tak agree, which is dia easily remove with water. No, I don't think it easily remove with water sebab I dah pakai multiple times and dia tak senang buang dengan air ataupun makeup remover. Tak senang langsung. Bila hampa macam basuh tu, dia akan jadi ketul-ketul. So dia tak akan smash your face, tapi dia macam a little bit hard for me to remove the mascara. Moving on to the next items yang I suka dekat sini, which is this one from, of course, Obsess Cosmetic. So this is the translucent loose powder. I tak perasan sangat yang dia akan buat muka I nampak glow, tapi ya, dia memang mencerahkan. So I suka sangat pakai loose powder ni under my eyes sebab dia nampak smooth, dia nampak cerah, and dia make my eyes and it make my makeup last longer. So I suka loose powder ni, and this is my second loose powder. So I don't have much loose powder to compare, but I like it. Ni lah loose powder tu. Packaging ni lawa and sangat secure. So you buka macam ni, and then they come with mirror, and also dia sponge yang tulis Obsess kat sini. So dalam ni ada dia punya produk. Moving on to the next item yang anda dapat daripada Kak Nurul, which is this one, which is the Blush Me Softly. Ni adalah blusher, and I suka sangat dia punya innovation tu. This is a freaking stick blusher. Look at that. So I dapat blusher stick ni dalam kod Poppy Peach. Bila sebut Poppy Peach, I terbayang warna orange. Tapi sayang sekali ni tak ada warna orange pun. Tapi colour dia sangat cantik. So I suka. Moving on to the two last items yang I dapat daripada Kak Nurul. First, I dapat this one, which is the stick eyeshadow in code mulberry. And also I juga dapat this one, which is the treatment foundation cushion compact dalam code like. Both of these I tak lagi enjoy. Ni packaging cushion compact ni, packaging dia sangat comel. I suka nak mampu packaging daripada Obsess ni. So nak buka, you press kat bawah ni and then you buka. Dia punya consistency macam watery. So agak senang nak blend lah. So this cushion compact ada pros and cons dia. Pros dia bagi I, dia travel friendly. So senang I nak touch up bila keluar. Kedua, dia senang nak blend sebab dia punya consistency dia macam watery sikit. Tapi I lagi prefer blend pakai sponge. And dia punya cons dia, colour ni terlalu cerah untuk kulit muka I. So that's why dia dekat bottom 2. The last item which is this stick eyeshadow. Jangan pakai stick eyeshadow, I selalu pakai yang macam kita blend. Okay, dia ada 2 end. Satu dia punya stick eyeshadow in coat mulberry, and satu lagi untuk you buat highlight dekat you punya inner corner of the eyes. Tapi sayang sekali kita tak boleh guna this end untuk highlight dekat pipi sebab dia tak sesuai. So yeah, that's all for this unboxing video. Obsess Cosmetics punya produk memang best. I suka. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you guys like this video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up because that means the world to me. Bye!